Okay, welcome back. We're going to do a basic install of Zenoss, which is basically another monitoring type tool that you can use. It's the community version of it, so it's kind of the stripped down version. There's a commercial version available, but I try to do everything here pretty much open source and free, um, or FOSS, whatever you want to call it, free open source software. What we'll do here is just do an install, and basically there's a script that you can get from the website, and I'll post that in the notes. And then basically, I'm just going to change into the temp directory, and I'm going to get this wget command with the latest tar file, and it looks like it's already installed, so it's quite small. And then we will untar that, and then we'll change into that directory. Clear the screen up real quick, and then in our list here so we can see it. So they got a core auto deploy shell script, it looks like, and a secure Zenoss shell. So what we're going to do here is just do the core auto deploy shell. And installs Oracle Java VM. To continue, please review and accept the Oracle binary license code. So let's say enter to that. This is the Oracle Java portion of it. It's basically just a normal license. You accept it, say yes. Okay, so it wants us to uninstall this dependency. And I said this is a minimal CentOS 6.5. So we will yum remove. And those have been removed, and it'll most likely install these back. Maybe it's a newer version and stuff like that. So we'll go back to the install script again and see what happens this time. Start or auto deploy. Enter yes, and it's downloading. I could have cleaned that up earlier, but I just want you to see what I see going through the install, so that if you come across a similar situation, you can do the same thing. I don't want to make it all clean and make it look like there's never an issue, because sometimes there are, and there are workarounds. And it's just downloading the certain packages that it needs. Like here's the RabbitMQ, which is basically I think it's more or less a kind of a internal messaging queue type thing that it has for running certain products. Standard install here, it's getting 106 packages. Once it's done downloading, now it's installing. And now verifying. Okay, it's starting up the RabbitMQ server. It's downloading the web apps Java. It's on the Java runtime environment. Loading some more packages and installing the MySQL client. That first part was the client. This is the MySQL server. In the shared components, or shared compatibility for MySQL. Now it's installing the RRD tool, which is basically the graphs and stuff like that you see a lot in a lot of different products. And now it's actually installing Zenoss core. All right, here we need to go in and secure our MySQL. And that's just put it in one more time, and it'll start all up. Now it's basically installing what's called Zen packs, which are different monitoring scripts and reports for different things. Like here's a MySQL monitor, LDAP, IRC, Internet Relay Chat monitor, which is basically looks like a Jabber monitor. some Active Directory Zen packs. Just starting up a bunch of the daemon processes. Hey, that part's finished up. Now all we need to do is go to a web browser and then go to this port 8080, and then we should be good to go. Here it says 127, but that's because it's itself. But we're actually going to go to the specific IP address, and then we'll go from there. And here's the login to the Zenoss.